Friends, welcome to our new fresh episode. In this video we talk about Lenovo Legion Y700 gaming tablet. We talk about 3 steps along with telling the details. I am also sharing some pictures with you so that you will get complete information about this product easily. Please watch full video. So let's start. Number 1. Display and design. This tablet supports a large 8.8-inch LCD display that supports 100 DCI-P3 color gamut. It has a resolution of 2560 x 1600 pixels, 120 Hz, refresh rate, and 240 Hz touch sampling rate as well. Similar to the Y90, the tablet also has a noticeable chin and notch, but even its bezels on the side are quite visible. It is clear that the company placed an emphasis on hand feel with the metallic frame, rather than a eye-catching look, since the tablet targets the gaming audience. Legion Y700 gaming tablet features 3.5mm headphone jack and features the usual selection of buttons like the volume rockers, power button, alongside a dedicated switch for the resource monitoring window in gaming mode. Similar to the Y90, it also features a dedicated cooling mechanism, which includes VC cooling and a whopping total heat dissipation. Number 2. Smart features and specs. Legion Y700 powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 SoC, which is paired with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. It is powered by a large 6550 mAh battery pack that supports 45W fast charging and runs on ZUI 13. It supports smart split screen feature that allows for improved multitasking as well. On the rear, the Legion Y700 houses a 13-megapixel camera that is paired with an LED flash, while the front has an 8-megapixel selfie camera. Number 3. Price and availability details. Legion Y700 will be available in 2 storage variants: 8GB plus 128GB priced at $348 and the second is 12GB plus 256GB priced at $396.